Effective public service machinery is lacking in the country. This has resulted in delivery of government services not reaching the people. This was one of the main challenges identified in the 2016 Leadership Summit today. The summit will focus on improving public service machinery and ensuring all government policies are implemented accordingly. Mark Kayok with this report.
Attended by state ministers, governors and members of parliament, including heads of departments and development partners, the 2 days Leadership Summit focuses on the government's achievements and challenges. One of the main challenges identified today was lack of basic service delivery, resulting from ineffective public service machinery.
It's a monster that we have created. It's overweight, it's lazy, it's ineffective, and could lose the purpose of its life.
The Chief Secretary to Government says about 80% of the government's key policies have been achieved. He says what's achieved was unprecedented. Mr. Lupari says the main hindrance to service delivery is proper public service machinery. Despite them, the public service machinery consuming about 40% of the national budget, there's nothing to show proof in terms of the value of money being spent on service delivery. Mr. Lupari says it's a challenge for all to work together in addressing this issue, which will require a total reform and downsizing of the workforce.
Therefore, we need to do something, as Prime Minister said. If we don't trim it, if we don't get rid of the excess weight, if we don't get rid of the overlaps, the duplications, the leakage, the wastage, it will continue to affect our progress.
These, among other issues, will be discussed tomorrow, with an outcome expected to help the government learn from its mistakes and move forward with solutions on various other critical issues as well. Mark Kayok, NBC National News, Port Moresby.